Have you ever wondered how to build additional income streams while still being an employee? Well, you're not alone. Many of us have pondered this question as we aim to bolster our financial stability. In today's discussion, we're going to explore 9 potential income streams that you can cultivate while continuing your regular job. We'll delve into the realm of freelancing and consulting, where you can use your existing skills to provide services in your spare time. Next, we'll explore the world of online courses and digital products, followed by a journey into affiliate marketing. We'll also touch on investing in dividend-paying stocks, real estate investing, and creating a YouTube channel or blog. Not to forget, we'll discuss peer-to-peer lending, e-commerce or dropshipping, and lastly, creating a side business. There's a lot to cover, and we're certain there's something for everyone in this mix. So without further ado, let's dive into our first income stream, freelancing or consulting. The first income stream we're going to look at is freelancing or consulting. This is a great way to leverage your existing skills and expertise, offering services in your field of proficiency. It's about taking what you already know and turning it into an income stream, all while maintaining your day job. Imagine being an accountant, a graphic designer, an IT specialist, or even a social media guru in your day-to-day job. Now visualize taking those skills and offering them to clients on a freelance basis. It's not about reinventing the wheel, it's about monetizing what you're already good at. So, how do you find clients? Well, the digital age has made this easier than ever. There are numerous online platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn, where you can showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. These platforms are like virtual marketplaces, where you can pitch your services and bid on projects. But freelancing or consulting isn't just about finding clients. It's also about managing your projects effectively. This requires good time management and organizational skills. You'll need to juggle your projects alongside your day job, ensuring that you deliver on time and maintain a high standard of work. It can be helpful to set clear boundaries and expectations with your clients from the outset. Be upfront about your availability and turnaround times. Use project management tools to keep track of deadlines and deliverables. And remember, communication is key. Regular updates can keep your clients in the loop and build trust. Freelancing or consulting can also help build your professional network. Every client you work with is a potential connection, a potential reference, or even a potential source of future work. So, don't underestimate the power of networking in the freelancing world. In conclusion, freelancing or consulting can be a rewarding and flexible way to supplement your income. You're not just earning extra money, you're also building your portfolio, expanding your network, and gaining invaluable experience that could open doors to new opportunities. Remember, the key to successful freelancing is leveraging your skills, finding the right clients, and managing your projects effectively. Freelancing or consulting can be a rewarding and flexible way to supplement your income. Next up, we have online courses or digital products. In this digital age, the market for online courses and digital products is booming. With the right approach, you can tap into this lucrative field. Whether you're an expert in gardening, coding, painting, or even dog training, there's likely a community out there eager to learn from you. Let's begin by identifying profitable topics. Start with what you know best. It could be something you're passionate about or a skill you've honed over the years. Conduct some market research. Are there people looking for knowledge in your field? Are there gaps you could fill with your unique perspective or approach? Don't be discouraged if there's competition. It shows there's demand. Next, focus on creating valuable content. It's not just about what you say, it's about how you present it. Make the learning journey engaging and enjoyable. Break down complex topics into digestible chunks. Use real-life examples, interactive elements, and regular quizzes to reinforce learning. Remember, the more value you provide, the more likely your customers are to recommend your course to others. Now, what about digital products? These could be ebooks, templates, or any digital tool that people can use. The principles are the same. Find a gap in the market, create something valuable, and make sure it's easy to use. Once you've got your course or digital product ready, it's time to market it. Identify your target audience and find out where they hang out online. Is it Facebook, Instagram, or maybe a niche forum? Tailor your promotional efforts to these platforms. Be authentic, engage with your audience, and show them how your product can benefit them. Consider offering a sneak peek or a limited-time discount to entice people to give your product a try. Collect reviews and testimonials to build trust with potential customers. And of course, don't forget about email marketing. It's a powerful tool for keeping your audience engaged and promoting your latest offerings. Creating digital products or courses can be a lucrative way to share your knowledge and skills. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of online courses and digital products today. Our third income stream is affiliate marketing. Now, what's that? Well, it's a process where you, as an affiliate, promote products or services of a company and earn a commission on each sale made through your referral link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn passive income, meaning you can make money while you sleep. But how do you select profitable affiliate products? It's all about choosing products that align with your audience's interests and needs. You can find these products on various affiliate marketing platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank, to name a few. Next, you need to build an audience. This could be through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. The key is to provide valuable content that attracts and engages your audience. And remember, it's not about selling, but about recommending products that you genuinely believe in. Optimizing your efforts is all about tracking your results, tweaking your strategies, and staying consistent. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn passive income with minimal upfront investment. Let's now talk about investing in dividend-paying stocks. This is a method that involves buying shares in companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. It's a powerful way to generate passive income, as you're essentially earning money simply by owning these stocks. So, how to get started? Firstly, it's important to research companies thoroughly. Look for those with a history of stable earnings and consistent dividend payouts. These are often larger, well-established firms, sometimes referred to as blue-chip companies. Once you've identified potential investments, it's time to buy shares. This can be done through a stockbroker or an online trading platform. Remember, it's crucial to diversify your portfolio with shares in different companies and sectors to spread the risk. Managing your dividend investment strategy involves regularly reviewing your portfolio, balancing it as needed, and reinvesting dividends to compound your earnings. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady stream of passive income over time. Another interesting income stream is real estate investing. Now, this isn't just about buying a house and renting it out. There are many different ways to invest in real estate, each with their own set of benefits and challenges. For instance, you could consider rental properties. This involves buying a property and then renting it out to tenants. The money you receive in rent can be a nice, steady stream of income. But remember, you'll also need to factor in costs such as maintenance, insurance, and potential vacancy periods. Then, there's real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. By investing in a REIT, you can earn money from the income these properties generate without having to buy or manage the properties yourself. It's a more hands-off approach to real estate investing. And let's not forget about real estate crowdfunding platforms. These platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects with other investors. This can be a great way to get started in real estate investing, as it often requires less capital than buying a property outright. But like all investments, real estate investing comes with its own set of challenges. There's the potential for property values to decrease, dealing with difficult tenants, and the sheer amount of time and effort it can take to manage properties. So, how can you get started with real estate investing? First, educate yourself. There are countless resources available online to help you learn about different investment strategies. Second, start small. Consider starting with a single rental property or a small investment in a REIT or crowdfunding platform. And finally, always do your due diligence. Research any potential investment thoroughly before you commit your hard-earned money. Remember, real estate investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, persistence, and a keen eye for good opportunities. But with the right approach and a commitment to learning, it's an income stream that can provide significant financial rewards. Real estate investing can be a profitable venture if you're willing to put in the time and effort. Let's move on to creating a YouTube channel or blog. The digital world offers numerous opportunities to earn income, and creating content on platforms like YouTube or blogging is one of them. The beauty of these platforms is that they allow you to share your knowledge, passion, or interests with a worldwide audience while also earning a steady stream of income. Starting a YouTube channel or blog can be a bit like starting a small business. It requires a concept, a target audience, and a lot of perseverance. The first step is to choose a niche. This can be anything you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. From cooking to coding, the possibilities are endless. Just remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it will be to attract a dedicated audience. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create engaging content. Your content should be informative, entertaining, or inspirational. Ideally, a mix of all three. Consistency is key. Regularly creating and posting new content will help you build an audience and keep them coming back for more. But how do you monetize a YouTube channel or blog? There are several ways. Ad revenue is a common method. Once your channel or blog gains enough traction, you can partner with YouTube or a blogging platform and earn revenue from ads displayed on your content. Another way is through sponsorships. Companies may pay you to promote their products or services in your videos or blog posts. And let's not forget about affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting and selling other companies' products. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel or blog takes time. It's not an overnight success story, but with dedication, creativity, and a bit of business savvy, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Creating a YouTube channel or blog can be a fun and creative way to generate income. Our next income stream is peer-to-peer lending. Imagine a world where traditional banks are bypassed, and you become the bank yourself. That's exactly the concept of peer-to-peer lending. It's a modern method for individuals to earn passive income by lending their money directly to borrowers, in return for interest payments. This innovative platform allows you to diversify your investment, as you can lend small amounts to multiple borrowers. The higher the risk, the higher the interest rate you can potentially earn. But remember, with high potential returns always come potential risks. The major risk involved is borrowers defaulting on their loans. But don't fret, there are ways to mitigate this risk. One strategy is diversification, lending small amounts to many borrowers. Another is to thoroughly research and understand the creditworthiness of your potential borrowers. Peer-to-peer lending can be a profitable venture if you're willing to take on a bit of risk. Next, we have e-commerce or dropshipping. In our digital age, starting an e-commerce business or embarking on a dropshipping venture is a viable and potentially profitable income stream. Both involve selling products online, but they operate differently. In e-commerce, you hold and manage your own inventory. On the other hand, in dropshipping, you market and sell the products, but a third-party supplier stores, packages, and ships the products on your behalf. Now, the first step to venture into e-commerce or dropshipping is finding profitable products. This involves diligent research and understanding market trends. Look for products that are high in demand but low in competition. Tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, or eBay trending can provide valuable insights into what's popular and potentially profitable. Setting up an online store is the next step. For e-commerce, you'll need a platform to host your online store. There are several user-friendly options available like Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce. If you're going the dropshipping route, you'll want to integrate with a dropshipping platform like Oberlo or Spocket. These platforms make it easy to choose products, add them to your store, and manage your orders. Now, having an online store is great, but it's of little use if no one knows about it. That's where driving traffic comes in. You need to attract potential customers to your store. This can be achieved through various methods like search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, and content marketing. It's all about getting your products in front of the right people at the right time. Remember, success in e-commerce or dropshipping doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, dedication, and consistent effort. But with the right strategies and a customer-centric approach, you can build a successful online business. E-commerce and dropshipping can be a great way to sell products online and earn a sizable income. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a business that could replace your day job, these are possibilities worth exploring. And finally, we come to creating a side business. If you've ever had a passion or interest that you feel could be monetizable, then this is the avenue for you. It's about exploring those hobbies, those skills that you have, and turning them into a business venture. This could be anything from freelance writing, tutoring, crafting, to providing specialized services. The possibilities are endless. The key to launching a successful side business is to start small and grow organically. It's about testing your ideas in the market, learning, and iterating. It's about balancing your time between your full-time job and your side hustle, and gradually scaling up as your business grows. Remember, it's not just about making extra income, but also about pursuing something you love. It's about taking your destiny into your own hands and creating something that's truly yours. Starting a side business can be a fulfilling and profitable way to pursue your passions. So, there you have it, 9 income streams you can build while still being an employee. From freelancing or consulting, leveraging your unique skills, to creating and selling digital products or online courses. Affiliate marketing offers a way to earn passive income, while investing in dividend-paying stocks or real estate can provide a steady stream of returns over time. Creating content on platforms like YouTube or blogging can generate ad revenue, and peer-to-peer lending platforms offer another avenue for passive income. Starting an e-commerce business or dropshipping venture allows you to capitalize on the online market, and creating a side business based on your passions could be the start of something big. Each of these income streams holds the potential for financial growth, and it's up to you to take the first step. Remember, the journey to financial independence starts with a single step. So, which income stream will you start building today?